M0FXB, welcome to my channel, and we're looking at the VR-N7500. We've got the Android app running here. What we're going to look at in this video is this Bluetooth microphone. Let's turn it on. It comes up in the search as BE78. We will zoom in closer and it's logged in straight away. Let's just go menu. We could actually, if we wanted to, turn the radio off just by selecting the on to off, just by pushing the menu button. But first of all, I want to show you how to pair it. So we've got pairing here. Let's select pair, and that's how you pair. You tick the pair and it will just log in and pair. We exit. Now to go A and B band, now I want you to watch here as well. Watch what's happening on this device here. Zoom in a bit closer. So if we go up and down with the arrow, look, we're going A and B band. If we go A and B now, watch. The red, highlighted red, is the channel that we're on. And it does, see the way it changed automatically there? Whichever channel is active, it will automatically switch to, which is pretty good. So look, we're going down, and if you look in the background, you'll see the tiles changing to different channels. I do like that. So if we go menu, we can actually turn off the radio by selecting, I just said that. FM radio, we can go FM radio, and we can turn that on as well. And we can turn it off, which we just did. Now to change the channel on the A or the B band, on the side you have the up and down buttons here. So if you push, we're on the A band now, look, it's changing channels, and it will also change it here. You'll see it changing on the software, which is good. We can go up or down. And if we go to the B band, push the down arrow, there could be activity on the A band. Let's move to here. There you are. And then we can go scroll through channels. Let's go to memory. Signaling. We can send messages. Just select send message. Interesting. I've not used that function. Just trying to let me message there. Let's exit out. Well, let me exit out. There you are. P2 got me out. Exit. Radio settings. Dual watch. So at the moment, dual watch on the software as well. We select it. We go to single receive. We back out all the way. Look, we've only got one, and we can go down or up through the channels. Again, with the up and down buttons. We've got TX on that one. Let's go, keep going till we get to one of our memories. S20, and it does show the memory names as well. Let's exit. If we see the way I pushed exit, and we got our GPS then, go menu. Scroll down, radio settings. We've done dual watch. Scan. I do press scan, but nothing really happens. It just does that. I still don't know what talk around is. Power high low. Push the menu and look, you'll see it change. Power, and it's changing in the background. We can change channel group. Each group, as far as I can see, has 16 channels. Click return. Squelch level. TX time, 100 seconds. Changeable look. PTT follow, I don't know what that means. Tell elimination, don't know what that means. I'm guessing there's a noise at the end it can get rid of. Right, we'll go back. Back to radio. Display settings. So brightness, we can change. As you can see, exit. Screen timeout, I've set it to never. Language, English, time zone, and that's it. Pairing, so yeah, as soon as you press that, it looks for it and pairs. You need your Bluetooth turned on. GPS status. So it is getting a GPS signal, which is good for APRS. compass. Let's have a look at that. It's good, isn't it? Click calibrate. Please place the device on a level surface. So we're not going to do that now, but you can calibrate. Status, battery level 92, volts 4, firmware version, and we have a pin number, whatever that is. So let's just by accident there, I turned off the radio. See, the radio went off. Let's push it again. And it turns it on, and it will automatically connect. Exit out. And let's go back to dual. So I do like dual. Go settings. Dual watch. Exit. Now I have seen that you can also get it to display a network channel. So it'll display a third channel. And I'm just trying to remind myself how I did that. So it will show your dual band, but it will also show a network channel. Now the only network channel I've got is on GB3FI. Have I gone a bit too dark there? Go to display, brightness. Let's exit. So, you know, it's quite nice. I mean, there's the PTT. See, it does PTT. You just saw that. M0FXB. It's a bit plasticky looking, but it's quite strong. Let's open the side. We haven't tried. So it's got your usual twin pin connector. Now, can we do anything with that? I don't know, apart from the usual headphones microphone. It's got the bracket to hang it there as well. So we'll show them working together. So A and B, GB305, M0FXB calling for a contact. And that's working great. If we tap here, that's all your call sign stuff here. Now what I'm actually looking for is how to get it on into network mode. So I'm going to tap here. This is a network channel here. So it says that the audio isn't coming from the radio because we're using the Bluetooth. If I go to remote, now a remote channel is a channel you can access via the internet, and the way you do that is as VFR remote. Let's have a look. If we go out, I'll show you how you actually set it up. Tap the arrow at the top, or tap VR, and see this one here. If I hold my finger down, is already bound to a channel that you can access from another same app, but not Bluetooth paired, just got connected to the internet. So let's say you want to do a fresh one. Say I want to get HubNet connectable. You hold your finger down. It says bind. If you click bind, and then you can bind it to a channel. Now, it makes sense to create a new channel first. So let's go back and we'll go to here. So arrow, join network channel, and then we'll click create. And we'll call this one HubNet. HubNet. Remote. Call it remote because we're going to access this through the internet, not through our Bluetooth on this app. So we'll go next. Done. So we've got HubNet and we'll give it a passcode 2626. Done. You don't want everyone accessing it. And save. So now if we go back, so the way you go back is 3 lines, tap the up arrow and then go. Remember, you've got one called HubNet Remote. So tap the top, hold your finger down and then bind. You've bound it to, and then tap the one you want to tap it to. And it will show, it actually says HubNet Remote there, although there's not enough room to show it. So now we can access that using an app, the same app, anywhere in the world. So let's go and get another tablet. So here's just another tablet. We'll go join network channel, and we do need to search it. So there it is. Oh, we've already got it on there. HubNet Remote. We'll tap it. It knows because it's logged into my account, as you can see. HubNet Remote. So now I can literally access my HubNet All-Star node, but I'm not connected via the internet, via Bluetooth to my VR-N7500. I am on the internet using the app, and I could be anywhere in the world to watch this. M0FXB calling for a contact. I could hear that on the other radio. Let's turn up the volume. Try again. M0FXB calling for a contact. Now what it is, I'm not hearing it on this iPad, so I need to turn on the audio so it comes out of this iPad. We can even look at the map. Right, well, the video was about the handheld, so I hope this helps. 7.3, all the best.